Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you a new feature of Aiomatic which will be available in the latest update, which is already released. So you will be able to use advanced functionality provided by AI models and by the Aiomatic plugin, also with Ollama models. So until now only the OpenAI models were benefiting of tool calls or function calls with their older name, and now this will be available also on Ollama models. So if you have Ollama running in your local environment, you're in luck, because you will be able to use advanced features of Aiomatic and for example the chatbot. So let me show you this in action. So first of all, you will need to select a model that you wish to use, which also supports tool calls. And to list these models, go to ollama.com, search and click on tools, and you will list here all the models which are supported for tool calls. Now let's go ahead and install this model. So for this, go and pull up a command prompt. Locally if you have local Ollama installed, and on your server if you have it installed on your server. So if you don't know how to install Ollama locally or on your server, I have separate tutorial videos also for this. Search my channel for them, they will be helpful. So to set up a model, write Ollama run and select the model name, so Llama 3.1, and this is already available on my Ollama server. Because of this, it will not be installed. But however, if we want, we can go ahead and install another model. So for example, Ollama run Quen 2.5, and it will install it. As you can see, it is pretty large. Because of this, I will not continue with installation. Okay, so let's say we installed our Ollama model, and now after we entered our Ollama URL here, it is locally or from your remote server, click refresh Ollama model list, and afterwards you get this success message, and Ollama models will be available for use. So for this, let's go to the chatbot, for example, and in the chatbot model from the API parameters tab, we should be able to scroll down here, and we will see all the models which are available in our Ollama installation. So let's select Llama 3.1 because we saw here that it is supported for tool calls. And let's save settings. Now all we have to do is go to extensions and be sure to enable the website scraper extension. I already had this enabled, and also to test this, enable the chatbot extension in the chatbot preview from below, this one. Be sure to check this checkbox to be able to test it, or you can enable the chatbot extension in the globally injected chatbot, or even more, you can create a custom chatbot in the custom chatbot builder tab, where you can enable extensions, also enable chatbot extensions here. Okay, so this is how to enable extensions, and after we done this, let's save settings. And now we can talk with the Llama 3.1 model from Ollama and instruct it to scrape this website, for example. So this is a website which lists one of my YouTube videos, and here it has also the YouTube video description. So let's copy this URL. So let's ask the chatbot something, scrape this URL and tell me details about what it contains. So we will scrape this URL now, and let's see what the chatbot will return to us. Here it is. Here's a rough breakdown of the main points. Introduction. Personal message from YouTube channel owner. Website, a disclaimer, and here it is. So These are all the text that I added here. It's also described here in the chatbot because it scraped this URL. Okay, so this is the latest feature of Aiomatic. It is able also to use Ollama and these models for tool calls and to get extensions in the chatbot. So you can check more extensions because the website scraper is only one extension which can benefit of tool calls. So you can list Amazon products, you can create stable diffusion images, videos, replicate Midjourney, DALL-E images, and many more. So you can scrape Google search results, YouTube captions, royalty-free images, YouTube video search, email, send emails, call webhooks, God mode, which will enable direct WordPress function calling, or even post to social media from these other extensions. Okay, so this is only the tip of the iceberg, as there are many more cool features in the plugin implemented which benefit of these chatbot tool calls. So go ahead and check this update. Okay, so go ahead and check also Ollama. It is free, it can be installed on your server. Aiomatic is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. Thank you for watching until the end. Until next time, bye bye.